Hey everyone, just gonna go over my sharpening implements real quick. This the Work Sharp knife and tool sharpener. It's basically a belt sander. It's supposed to be a quick, fast, hurry sharpening system, but I will never ever use that on a knife again. I messed up a $150 knife. This one ain't it, but it took a groove right here out of the knife. It changed the whole profile of the knife. It actually turned it into a recurve right here. But that I ended up just giving that knife away. But yeah, I'll use that on lawnmower blades, scissors, my machete, hatchet, stuff like that. Hedge trimmers. Something that I don't need razor sharp. I go with the tri-home sharpening system. It comes with its own base. Actually has a little guide that's 23 degrees, which is closer to what this edge angle is. This is Scandinavian grind. I keep this in my backpack. I use this to touch up my hatchet or my axe in the field. I do have a sharpening puck, a Lansky puck somewhere. I think it's in one of my backpacks in the truck. This is Dan's Whetstone. It's a Arkansas soft, medium grit. This is on my belt knife, in my belt sheath. Yeah, my belt sheath. I got the ferrocerium rod, and then this little pouch here holds the whetstone. This sheath I can't remember where I got it from Self-Reliance Outfitters, but you can wear it traditional with the belt loop, or you can wear it scout carry. It's got the straps that go around your belt, so you can wear it scout carry either direction. I put a dangler attachment on it, so during the winter months when I got a heavier coat on, I can use the dangler and it'll lower it down on my hip a little bit more, so it's underneath the edge of my coat. Getting back to the sharpening stuff, this is Work Sharp. This is made by Work Sharp. It's their field sharpener. It comes with coarse and fine diamond sharpener plates. It has a leather strap here. It has a 3-position ceramic rod. You can put it on fine, which is the only part I use. This has a groove in it, so you can sharpen fish hooks. And then it's got the coarse side of the ceramic. This here is for sharpening serrated blades. It actually has these ramps, I guess you want to call them, these right here. They're 20-degree angles, so if you have a knife that has a 20-degree angle on each side, this is the perfect angle for that. But if I was to use this, I'd just use it freehand. I wouldn't use these ramps. The plates come off, so they're replaceable. This one has the instructions. Well, not instructions. I guess this is steps to sharp. to shape it, use the diamond. To hone, you use the ceramic. And to strop it, you use the leather. And then it's got the different letter indications in the hook for the dial here. They're held on by magnets. This one comes off too. It has a warning on it, saying it has magnets and they're dangerous to pacemakers. This has a little rolled up instructions, I assume. I've never opened it, so I don't know. This side has this cavity here. It's about 3/8 of an inch deep. Yeah, somewhere 5/16. But you can hold a small tube of oil in there or something, some kind of small container of oil, which I never use. Because if you use oil on a stone, you can't use water again because the water will just bead off and it won't soak into the stone. Water's everywhere. Well, almost everywhere, but yeah. I do have oil that I can use. But if I do use this is just for my hatchet or axe or machete or something. Something that doesn't have to be razor sharp, but it is. This is my preferred leather strop. It's the Viking Edge. Comes in a nice black box. Comes with white and green compound. Yeah, it's got the coarse side on this side and the coarse. This is coarse and this is the smooth side of the leather. I put green and white on both sides. I don't know why I did alternating like that, but it just worked out that way somehow. Yeah, I believe that's it. All right, y'all have a good day. All right, I'm gonna add this to the end of my sharpening tools video. These are the knives that I use consistently. But yeah, give you guys a little show that these are like razor sharp. That's the BLSK1. This is the survival knife by PK Pathfinder Knife Shop. If that one's razor, that's my everyday carry, so that one has to be sharp. This is my carving knife, so this has to be sharp. Definitely sharp. My Swiss Army knife. Pretty sharp. Leatherman. Sharp. My everyday pocket knife. So this has got to be sharp. Sharp. This is probably the dullest knife I own. It's just a $12 knife that's used for cutting rope, open packages, utility knife, I guess you would say. But yeah, see, this one ain't, it's kind of sharp, but kind of sharp. Definitely not as sharp as the others, but still sharp enough. Alright, talk to you later. Alright, I'm gonna hopefully show you guys that my machete, hatchet, and axe are pretty much just as sharp as my knives. Not too sure about the machete. Yeah, I gotta clean it up a little bit. It got a little bit of rust on it, but it's a machete. See what we can do with this. Pretty sharp for machete. I mean, it'll do what it needs to do. Pretty sharp all the way down the blade. So yeah. Yep, that's sharp for a machete. This is pretty scary sharp. Pretty sharp for a hatchet. Axe. My S.A. Wetterlings. Scandinavian forest axe. But not too often you see an axe that is that sharp. Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's, it's sharp all the way across the blade, even down there, up here. Yeah, it's scary sharp for an axe. Alright, that ought to do it. Talk at you later.
Oh.